In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your work Outlook calendar in Google Calendar. This process is quite simple and will have you seamlessly integrating your schedules in no time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.com and sign in with your work account. This is the primary step that allows you access to all the necessary settings for linking your calendar to Google. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen and click the gear icon which represents settings. This is your gateway to accessing and configuring your Outlook account settings. Next, in the settings menu, look at the left-hand side and find the section labeled Calendar. Click on it and you'll see the option for Shared Calendars. This option allows you to manage how your calendar can be shared both internally and externally. Now it's time to publish your calendar. This step involves choosing the specific calendar you want to share with your Google account. Under the list of calendars, select the one you wish to publish. Then navigate down to the permissions drop-down and select Can View All Details. This permission level ensures that all your events and appointments are visible when you link the calendar to Google. Once selected, hit Publish. After publishing, you'll notice an ICS link appears below the HTML link on your screen. The ICS link is crucial here as it's the URL we're going to use to connect your Outlook calendar to Google. Carefully copy this ICS link to your clipboard. With the ICS link copied, it's time to switch over to your Google Calendar now. Open a new tab in your browser and go to Google Calendar. Once there, look at the left side of your screen where you see Other Calendars. There's a plus icon next to it. Go ahead and click that. From the drop-down menu, select From URL. In the From URL option, you'll see a field where you can paste the ICS link you just copied from Outlook. After pasting it, click on Add Calendar. And just like that, your Outlook events will begin appearing in your Google Calendar. This integration allows you to see all your work appointments alongside your personal events in one convenient location. And there you have it. Your work Outlook calendar is now viewable in Google Calendar. I hope this helps streamline your schedule management and keeps you organized with ease. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.